Right now on the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, we're making sautéed onions. The first step is to grab your ingredients, and that's going to be your favorite cooking oil, either olive oil, sunflower, or grape preferably. You're going to get yourself some sea salt, and then also some delicious garlic powder, as well as your preferred onions, be they yellow or white onions, working best for this particular recipe. Step one will be to dice the onions, and then after that, preheat your pan and get it ready for the sauté. You'll want your pan to be heated up to about 280 degrees Fahrenheit, and when it is, add the sea salt before you add the oil. After that, wait about 90 seconds, maybe a little bit less depending on how high your heat is, and then add the onions in. You'll want to use 1.5 large onions, 2 medium onions, or 3 small onions depending on the size of the onion for this particular recipe. Now the pan calls for about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil when you get it in there, and after it gets heated up and put in the pan for the onions, you're going to want to make sure to move them around, shake them up, get them coated at first. Now give them about 2 or 3 minutes before you shake them in between, but in the shaking process, make sure you flip them over, get them coated so they can caramelize evenly on all sides. The caramelization and sauté process should take about 9 to 11 minutes on most stoves on a medium-high flame for the cooking process to complete for this size of a batch of onions. Do-it-yourself gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.